Welcome to what I like to call the ultimate glasses deep dive. A complete journey into everything you've ever wanted to understand about eyewear. Whether you're rebuying your very first pair or you've been wearing glasses your entire life, think of this video as peeling back the layers of the glasses world step by step. We're starting with the basics that everyone sees on the surface. And as we go deeper, we'll uncover the hidden details most people, and honestly even many optical stores, never explain. My goal here isn't just to talk about glasses, but to help you actually understand how to choose a pair that transforms both how you see and how you present yourself to the world. Let's start with the obvious part. Frames. When most people think about glasses, this is all they focus on: the style, the color, the brand name, and how fashionable they look on the face. Frames are essentially the structure that sits on your face and holds everything together, but they also control comfort, balance, and personality. There are literally millions of frame designs available today, ranging from minimalist metal designs to bold acetate statement pieces. Choosing frames isn't as simple as picking something that looks good in the mirror for 10 seconds. The right frame needs to match your lifestyle, your facial proportions, and even how long you plan to wear your glasses each day. Now here's where things get interesting, because the real magic of glasses isn't the frame. It's the lenses. Lenses determine how clearly you experience the world, yet they're often the most overlooked part of eyewear. Many people assume lenses are all identical. You take your prescription, insert it into a lens, and you're done. But in reality, lenses come in countless materials, coatings, designs, and optical technologies, all of which dramatically change visual performance. The uncomfortable truth is that cheaper mass-produced lenses often generate the highest profit margins, which is why many stores barely discuss upgrades or customization. But your lenses are the single most important decision you'll make when buying glasses. Everything begins with your prescription, which comes from an eye examination. Most people think an eye test simply checks how blurry their vision is, but that's only a small part of it. An eye exam is actually one of the few known invasive ways to examine blood vessels and detect early health issues inside the body. Conditions like diabetes, circulation problems, or eye disease can sometimes be discovered during routine testing. So even if you believe your vision is perfect, regular eye exams remain incredibly important for long-term health. Once you have a prescription, precision becomes critical. Measurements like the distance between your eyes and how lenses align with your pupils determine whether glasses feel effortless or constantly uncomfortable. Modern digital measurements go far beyond old-fashioned averages, ensuring lenses sit exactly where your eyes naturally look through them. This is one of the biggest differences between professionally fitted glasses and cheaply ordered online pairs. Accuracy directly affects visual comfort. Moving deeper, let's talk about vision conditions themselves. Nearsightedness, or myopia, makes distant objects blurry and has become increasingly common worldwide due to modern lifestyles focused on screens and close-range work. On the opposite side is farsightedness, where close objects cause strain, even though distance vision may appear fine for years. Then there's the ideal scenario: perfectly balanced vision, requiring no correction at all. Understanding which category you fall into helps determine not just your prescription, but also the lens technology best suited to your eyes. As we move further down the iceberg, lens materials start to matter enormously. Traditional glass lenses offer exceptional clarity and scratch resistance, delivering some of the sharpest optics possible. However, modern plastics dominate today's market because they're lighter and safer. Materials like CR39 provide an excellent balance between durability and visual quality, while lightweight advanced materials are ideal for rimless or ultra-comfortable designs. High-index lenses, meanwhile, are designed for stronger prescriptions, allowing lenses to remain thin and aesthetically pleasing instead of thick and heavy. But material alone isn't enough. Lens coatings play a massive role in performance. Anti-reflective coatings reduce glare, allowing more light to pass through the lens and improving clarity, especially at night or during screen use. Modern coatings also repel water, resist smudges, and minimize scratches. These treatments don't just improve vision. They make glasses easier to live with every single day. Then we arrive at something many people overlook: fit and comfort components. Small details like nose pads, temples, bridges, and end tips determine whether glasses feel invisible or irritating after an hour. Adjustable nose pads allow customization for different nose shapes, while properly curved temple arms keep glasses secure without pressure. These subtle adjustments are often the difference between glasses you tolerate and glasses you genuinely enjoy wearing. As eyesight changes with age, new solutions come into play. Around midlife, many people develop difficulty focusing up close, a natural process known as older technologies, like bifocals, divide lenses into separate viewing zones, while modern progressive lenses smoothly transition between distance, intermediate, and reading vision without visible lines. When designed correctly, progressive lenses allow seamless vision across all distances, though they require extremely precise measurements to perform well. Another fascinating area is lens customization through tinting and light control. Tints aren't just fashion statements. They can improve contrast, reduce brightness, and enhance comfort in specific environments. Photochromic lenses automatically darken in sunlight, adapting between indoor and outdoor conditions. Meanwhile, blue light filtering lenses aim to reduce exposure from digital screens, potentially improving sleep quality and reducing eye fatigue during long work sessions. Frame materials also reveal huge differences in quality. Acetate frames, derived from natural fibers, allow vibrant colors and handcrafted finishes, while titanium frames deliver exceptional strength with incredibly low weight. Cheaper injection-molded plastics may look similar at first glance, but often lack durability and long-term comfort. The craftsmanship behind a frame, curing processes, machining techniques, and assembly quality ultimately determines how well it ages over time. Beyond materials and technology lies something even more important: personal expression. Many guides claim face shape determines the perfect glasses, but personality often matters more. Glasses sit at the center of your face. They instantly influence how others perceive confidence, creativity, professionalism, or individuality. The best pair of glasses doesn't just match your facial structure. It reflects who you are. As we dive deeper still, we encounter advanced optical manufacturing like freeform lens design, where lenses are digitally sculpted point by point for maximum visual optimization. This technology allows lenses to be tailored specifically to how you move, read, and interact with your environment. However, even the most advanced technology depends entirely on accurate measurements and expert implementation. Eye health topics also become increasingly relevant. Conditions such as cataracts develop when the eye's natural lens becomes cloudy over time, often influenced by UV exposure. Protective coatings and proper sunglasses play a significant preventative role, highlighting how eyewear isn't just corrective, it's protective. Finally, there's the hidden industry side of eyewear. Massive global companies controlling manufacturing, retail, and distribution. Understanding how the industry works empowers consumers to focus less on branding hype and more on genuine quality, craftsmanship, and visual performance. At the end of the day, glasses are far more than medical devices. They are tools for vision, comfort, confidence, and identity, all combined into one object you wear every waking hour. The deeper you understand frames, lenses, materials, and fitting, the better equipped you are to make choices that truly improve your daily life.